हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल घर से पाठशाला। आज मैं आपके लिए करंट अफेयर्स पर एक वीडियो लेके आया हूं जिसमें मैंने सभी रिसोर्सेज की इंपॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स को समराइज्ड वे में इस वीडियो में दर्शाया है। प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को फुल देखें और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और नोटिफिकेशन बेल आइकन पर ज़रूर क्लिक करें ताकि हमारी जो लेटेस्ट वीडियोज़ है आपके पास पहुँच सकें। तो इसको शुरू करते हैं। हरदयाल प्रसाद becomes new MD and CEO of PNB Housing Finance. PNB Housing Finance has appointed former SBI card head Hardayal Prasad as its new managing director and chief executive officer. He has replaced New Vyas, who steps down from the position. Telangana Congress Vice President MP Nandi Yelahi passes away. Veteran Congress leader and 8-time parliamentarian from Telangana, Nandi Yelahi passes away due to COVID-19 related complications. He was first elected to Lok Sabha from Siddipet in 1979. CSIR and FSSAI sign memorandum for understanding collaboration research on food and nutrition. CSIR for Council of Scientific and Industrial Research and FSSAI means Food Safety and Standard Authority of India. The collaboration between these two premier institutions of India will contribute to fulfilling the vision of the new food system 2050. The agreement was signed during a ceremony presided Dr. Uh, Harshvardhan. Pradeep Kumar Joshi took charge as UPSC chairman. He succeeded Arvind Saxena and he will have tenure till April 4, 2022. He joined UPSC as its member in May 2015. Prior to this, he was the chairman of Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh Public Service Commission. UPSC is a central recruiting constitutional body that selects IAS and IPS. KVIC set to open first silk training cum production center in Arunachal. The KVIC will open the silk training cum production center in tribal village of Chulio in Arunachal Pradesh. Machinery like handlooms, charkha, silk reeling machines and warping drums would be installed in the training cum production center. KVIC has transformed the dilapidated school building into the training cum production center for Erie Silk. PM launched submarine cable connectivity to Andaman and Nicobar Islands. PM Narendra Modi launched the submarine optical fiber cable between Chennai and Port Blair. The foundation stone for this project was laid by the PM on December 2018 at Port Blair. The cable link will deliver bandwidth of 2 by 200 Gbps between Chennai and Port Blair and 2 by 100 Gbps between Port Blair and the other islands. World Biofuel Day celebrated on 10th August. Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas celebrates the World Biofuel Day on 10th August every year. On the occasion, the ministry also organized the webinar with the theme Biofuels Towards Atmanirbhar Bharat. Union Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas, Dharmender Pradhan. Former WWE wrestler James Kamala Harris passes away. Former wrestler James Harris, who was also known as Kamala, passed away. Harris fought with the greatest superstars in sports entertainment history, including Hulk Hogan, The Undertaker, and the Andre the Giant. The Ugandan Giant was a unique character who operated both in and out of the ring in a memorable way. Mauritius declared a state of environmental emergency. A state of environment emergency has been declared by the island nation of Mauritius The environmental emergency has been declared as a Japanese bulk carrier MV Wakashio ran aground on a reef in Mauritius and began leaking oil into the ocean. The ship stranded 2 weeks ago is leaking tons of fuel into the surrounding waters. Bangladesh to construct war memorial for Indian soldiers. Bangladesh has took a decision to construct a monument for the Indian soldiers. The country will establish a monument for the Indian soldiers who died in 1971 during the Bangladesh struggle for independence from Pakistan. Prime Minister of Bangladesh Sheikh Hasina, capital Dhaka, currency Taka. Panel set up to fix ceiling rates under duty reimbursement scheme. The government has constituted a 3-member committee for determination of ceiling rates under a scheme for reimbursement of taxes and duties to exporters. The committee would be chaired by G.K. Pillai. The other 2 members are Y.G. Prande and Gautam Ray. Flipkart signs Memorandum of Understanding with UP government's One District One Product scheme. E-commerce marketplace Flipkart has signed a Memorandum of Understanding with One District and One Product scheme of Government of Uttar Pradesh. The Memorandum of Understanding will bring the artisans, weavers, craftsmen under the ODOP scheme into the scope of Flipkart's Samarth initiative. India to participate in Kavkaz 2020 exercise in Russia. India will participate in Russian Kavkaz 2020 Strategic Command Post exercise next month. The invitees for the exercise also include China and Pakistan, apart from the other member states of Shanghai Cooperation Organization. Union Ministers inaugurated Railway Museum at Hubballi, Karnataka. The Ministry of Railways has inaugurated a dedicated museum for the railways in Hubballi, Karnataka through video conferencing. This is the first of its kind museum in northern Karnataka and second in southwestern railways after the historic railway museum at Mysore, Karnataka. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh launched Atmanirbhar Bharat Saptaha. The Defence Minister Rajnath Singh launched the Atmanirbhar Bharat Saptaha to focus more on the vision of government to shift to the local manufacturing and make in India. It is also in line with Atmanirbhar Bharat scheme of Prime Minister. The main idea behind this is to emphasize the importance of domestic defence production in the country. थैंक यू गाइज़ फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो प्लीज़ हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और नोटिफिकेशन बेल आइकन पे क्लिक करें और ताकि हमारी जो लेटेस्ट वीडियोज़ आपके पास पहुंचती रहें और वीडियो को लाइक और कमेंट ज़रूर करना। थैंक यू।